Good day to you. I'm Dr. Charles Edward Florendo. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Charles Edward Florendo's Breathing Camp. So, you might want to lose weight and you don't know where to start. Well, before you take on any task, a very good place to start is to look up guidelines that have been prepared by people who are authorities in what you want to do. In healthcare, the authority that many people in the world recognize is the World Health Organization, also known as the WHO. As you guys would know, the WHO has been very visible nowadays, especially with the advent of the coronavirus pandemic. The WHO does have a lot of things to say regarding many aspects of your health. It is no wonder that a lot of people will be searching for the guidelines of the WHO on weight loss on the internet. So today, we will try to answer the question, what are the WHO guidelines for weight loss? Well, for me, I have been practicing medicine for quite some time now. I have encountered guidelines from more localized groups such as the CDC, Mayo Clinic, British Nutrition Foundation, and the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, among many others. However, I haven't encountered specific guidelines from the WHO on weight loss itself. If you have found these guidelines from the WHO, please let me know in the comment section. What the WHO does have, however, is a guideline on what they call a healthy diet. A healthy diet is presumably one of the ingredients to make one stay in his or her proper weight. The WHO suggestion for a healthy diet is specifically divided into a diet for adults and a diet for infants and young children. I will include some links below where you can read about this diet. The other thing that the WHO does have is a guideline on what it defines as a healthy weight for individuals. Well, it is not actually in terms of weight. It is rather in terms of one's body mass index or BMI. You can get your BMI by dividing your weight in kilograms by the square of your height in meters. You can also use a BMI calculator such as the one on my website whose link is placed below. According to the WHO, the ideal BMI for adults ranges from 18.5 to 24.9 kilograms per meter squared. BMI does have its share of controversies though. For instance, many athletes who bulk up on muscle mass may have an abnormally high BMI even though they aren't fat. Another controversy is that this BMI rating might not be appropriate for particular populations. There have been researches that propose a different set of BMI targets for the elderly, for instance. In 2004, a group of researchers focused their attention on Asians, particularly those from Hong Kong, the Philippines, Taiwan, and Korea. The researchers concluded that people from these countries should have a target BMI of 18.5 to 22.9 kilograms per meter squared instead. This later became known as the Asia Pacific BMI target. Now, even if you do get your target BMI, you still don't have your target weight. So I have prepared a chart that makes it easy for you to look up your target weight based on your height and based on where you are from. Knowing your target weight is an important starting point if you will start a weight loss program. This chart is incorporated in my book and online course, How to Lose Weight Without Exercise Using the Breathing Slim and Lean Integrative Method. My book is on a special sale just for the first 3 days of September 2020. Come visit my website at www.breathingexpert.com so you can avail of this special promo. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to click on like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell.